May profits be upon you. Let's take a look at USDCAD for the week ahead. Something I want you to notice on the weekly. Price has come down, man. I mean, look at this, come down here, boom, right? After all of this climbing, right? Finally, bearishness comes into the market. We take out the low here for a liquidity hunt. We run those lows, and then all of a sudden, things start looking up. Highs, higher, higher. And then we come back down again, finding a point of demand, right? So what we have is a push up and a correction, impulse, correction, and then another impulse. Now, with this impulse, we did take liquidity. We did take the top here, right? And again, we have another pullback, another correction. All right. What is the expectational order flow? It seems to me there's a better chance of price going higher from here, as this looks like a higher low, than price breaking the low and going lower. It seems to me the expectational order flow is bullish, and we should be making a higher high. That's what I'm thinking. Look at the confluence here. We have this magic trend line here. All right. We have 3 points of contact. You see the rejection here. We have an order block here. All right. I'm thinking price will follow through. This is on a weekly now. We close bullish after a nice rejection from this area of demand. With the confluence of the trend line, it looks good to go higher. That's all I'm saying. You know, doesn't have to happen, but it looks good anyway. Now, also, I want you to see when price was up here making these higher highs and then failing to make a higher high, what did we show? Head and shoulders. And it did its job, breaking the neckline, breaking down, taking out this break, this structural low here to the downside, and then we bounced up. All right. Now, what do I want to notice now? What do I want to make note of? Who's in control? Is it supply or is it demand? Well, we see supply bringing price all the way down there. We have a break of structure to the downside here. We got a break of structure to the downside here. All right. Again, a key point of structure here to the downside. This is a bearish market. This looks bearish, right? But this low made a new high. Why not, make another higher low and continue bullishly? Look at the way the price closed on Friday. Very bullish, very, very bullish. All right. And we are in a demand zone. Now, if we start to see price breaking supply zones like so, here we start seeing supply being broken on the way up. Hey, man, there's only one way to read that. There's only one way to read that. All right. We're going to look for the reaction, and we get a reaction here. And if price breaks this supply zone, this becomes our high probability trade. Boom. All right. So we're looking at this area as a POI, and we want to see what price does. We're looking for the reaction, right? We're going to look for that reaction. And if price comes back down, say to this this area here, which looks like a budding demand zone, maybe price will give us something like this and then come back. I would like to see that. I would love to take a buy from here. If price reacts, comes back, breaks the doggone order block, and then comes back for a buy. Many lines, and I even confused myself on that one. Okay. So let's go down to the 4 hour. Maybe we can see things even more clearly. Okay, we see the break of structure to the downside here. The price action that we want to pay attention to is right here. Again, I'm looking to see how price reacts once it gets up here and mitigates some of these this order block. This is a buy to sell move. Okay, the buying started here. That's why I have my zone starting there. As soon as price touches that, I'm going to be looking at it. I'm gonna put an alert, all right, just a little bit before, so I can have time to react. All right, and we'll see what price does up here. All right, we see that price form some preliminary demand here. We see it come up here. All right, and it comes back, gives us a nice reaction. Maybe it reacts to one of these areas here in this area. All right, maybe it reacts to that area and then fires all the way through. We're just going to keep this bullish area, this bullish order block, this zone of demand. We're going to keep that demand zone ready to be marked, but we have to hit it here first. All right, and in the meantime, in between time, we want to stay with the trend, right? The trend, the expectation of order flow has me thinking price will continue up. All right. If you take a short from here to where after it reacts and you take a short from here, it's going to, there's a lot of pips to catch. I'm letting you know that it's counter trend, lower probability, but those are going to be some good pips. We just got to see what the reaction is. All right. We want to see that pullback and then a breakthrough and then the return to that order block that made this that breakthrough. Okay. So we can take that long. 4 times already. I'm hoping that's exactly how it happens. Now, if price decides to do something different, we'll be ready for it. Just understand that what we're targeting is unmitigated order blocks. That's pretty powerful stuff. Okay. That draws trice, but that draws trice. That draws price. So we may see that mitigation up to the 50% area of this order block. And we'll see if we get a setup for a nice short. I'm going to be on it. So just, keep your mind in your account. Keep your head on a swivel for updates. All right. I will see you in the next video. Hey, if there's a market that you want to see and analyze, let me know. Leave a comment. All right. Leave a comment and I'll respond to it. I respond to all my comments. All right. And don't forget to smash the like button. I like likes. All right. I like likes and it's good for the channel. All right. It helps build my channel up. And it's great for the YouTube algorithm so that I can be found by others. Don't forget to share, man. All right, don't forget to share this link, my channel with others, with your friends. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.